Okay, today we are going to talk about some invitations. So these are some of the things you will need to include in your invitation for the wedding day. So I got some samples from Elegant Invites. They have so many amazing options. So I just want to show you a couple different options that they have available to you when you order online. So the first is my favorite. I'm just gonna hold up a board because you're not gonna be able to see it. How cute is this? You can't see it because of my screen. How cute is this? This is amazing. This is a wedding invitation. This is something that your guests are going to keep forever. This is not something that's going to go in your recycling bin 1,000%. So on this wedding invitation, they have their names, which is completely acrylic. Amazing. And it also has their wedding date and time and location, and then reception to follow. This is amazing. But when you send this out, you also need to send out your RSVP card. If you don't have a wedding website and you're not listing that on your invitation, you need one of these. This allows your guests to RSVP and tell you if they have any dietary requirements, allergies, etc. So definitely get an RSVP card if you do not have a wedding website listed on your invitation. The next one I want to show you is so nice. So it has a really cute belly band, but I just took it off so that I can show you. So this is normally around the invitation. How cute is this? The detail on here is amazing. This will not end up in a recycling bin. Guarantee that. Your guests are gonna hold on to this for a very long time. Check this out. And then the invitation just pops right out. How gorgeous is this? The font, everything matches, everything is perfect, all symmetrical. Check this out. And of course, you're gonna need an envelope with this one too. This comes with it through Elegant Invites. And then you also will still have your RSVP card in here, letting your guests know what to do. And then a secondary envelope. And your guests are going to use this to mail back to you so that you know if they're coming to the wedding. So you do need to also include a stamp on the RSVP card. So that was option one and option two. Now let me show you the last option. This one is also one of my favorites. Look at the detail work on here. Isn't this amazing? So you take off the belly band. I'm just gonna set it down to take this off because I don't wanna rip it. So once you have the belly band taken off, then you're going to be able to take off the outer layer. I really don't wanna rip this, so sorry guys, it's taking me a little bit longer to open this up. How gorgeous is this? This really sets the tone for your wedding when you send out an invitation as elegant as this one. So all of your wedding information is listed on your website. You're putting your names, you're putting your timing, you're putting your location. And if you have a wedding website, you're gonna put that in here too because you wanna direct your guests to your wedding website. And then last but not least, as always, your RSVP card. Postage paid envelope. You will put a stamp on here. There you go. So this matches with your invitation and kind of sets the tone for your event. That's all I got for you guys today. I hope that you enjoyed. If you have questions about what to include in your wedding invitations, send me a message, send me a DM, send me an email, send me anything, and I'd be happy to help you with that. And check out Elegant Invites for all of your invitation needs. They are super unique, super customizable, just like this one. So definitely look into their options because you will not feel like you are ordering something online based on the personalization and customization that comes with the invitations listed on their website. Have a great day, guys.